Welcome everyone to a complete guideline on web development. This is going to be the part 5. Yesterday we already discussed about box modeling and floating in our part 4. Today we are going to learn how we can make a list. Okay, list can be of two types. One is ordered list and another one is unordered list. Okay, let's see how we can do it. And if you're watching this video tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. All right. Without further ado, let's go and observe very carefully how we can create an ordered list in unordered list. All right. First, I'm going to open Git version control. If you're watching this video tutorial for the first time, please watch other 4 parts of this tutorial series so that you can get an idea how you can prepare your environment, download and install necessary software. Okay, uh, let me type git. I type here git and git bash pop up. Press enter and it will open. Okay, you see. And what I am going to do is going to make it a little bigger. I press Ctrl plus on Windows, and if you're using MacBook, just press on Command plus, and Command minus will make smaller. Okay, and Command plus will make bigger. Okay, I just say cd. This is command. Cd means change directory. I'm telling Git. We are now on Git software. I'm telling Git to go to desktop of my computer. cd desktop, press enter, and I'm now on my desktop. And I can check what I have on my desktop. Just type ls, another command means show list, and we can see the list. And our project is um, which one is our project? Can you remember? I guess Bootcamp 2020. This one is our project. Okay, Bootcamp 2020. So I just say cd means change directory. Directory means folder. Changing folder or directory, and say Bootcamp. I don't need to write um, completely. I just write boot and press tab button, and Git is so intelligent software. Okay, Git is so intelligent software or technology. It can understand what I am going to do. Press enter, and now we are inside Bootcamp 2021. Oh, sorry, 2021. Yes. Okay. Now we can check what do we have inside. We have CSS folder and index.html, and we can create another directory. Make directory means create a directory, and name of the directory is assets. In assets folder, usually we put picture, logo, graphic design, etc., etc. Okay. Now that's all. Let's now open our project. I mean Bootcamp 2021 in our code editor. I just type code space dot. Okay, it will open our code editor, and our code editor is code in brief. We wrote code means Visual Studio Code, and we are now in our project. You see, we have also assets folder. Now, if I want to bring any picture, I can do it. Let me make it smaller so that I can check what's going on. Okay, go to downloads, and I can bring anything. You can say, for example, Christmas hoodie. I can bring it here. I just drag and I can drop. Okay, you see, Christmas hoodie is here right now. Okay, now what I can do, I can create, make a second heading, second headline, H2, and I say here is Christmas D. Okay, then I can say img just I have to tell where the Christmas hoodie is, and I see Christmas hoodie is right here. Okay, and I can just say Christmas hoodie. All right, now I can just open from here. Actually, right button click and open with live server, but on my computer the live server is not working. If it doesn't work on your computer also, then just right button click on index.html and reveal in file explorer. Okay, click here and it will open the file folders, and double click. Okay, and it has opened, and I can check. Here is Christmas hoodie. Actually, you see, Christmas hoodie is invisible, but it has taken the space. I can make a specific. I can say width is 600 pixel. I just write 600, and height is, for example, okay, and it will make smaller in size, and we can check now. Here it is. Okay, and what we can do, it broken our serial. So what we can do to solve this problem, I can just keep here a beer tag. Beer tag means line break. Okay, so it will push down the block. Okay, when I refresh, see, push down the block. All right, and if I want, I can put it on center. Doesn't matter. No, it's not our cup of tea. Our cup of tea is making lists, how we can create lists, right? Right. Okay. If you are watching this video tutorial for the first time again, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video or new tutorial, you can get a notification. And just subscribing this YouTube channel, you are going to save $10,000 at least, because if you want to learn web development, programming, attending in a bootcamp, you have to pay at least $10,000 to $25,000. All right, so you are saving a lot of money. And those who are interested to make learning more interesting, more smooth, and more easier and faster, you can contact with us on I'll provide the Gmail address. I can write it here, and you can learn one-on-one or in batches. You can contact at we social your brand at gmail.com. And we also teach the young kids age from 10 years to 15 years. Okay, and classes will be completely online, so they can join anywhere from anywhere in the world and uh, learn coding in just 3 to 6 months. Okay, all right, and we are very much affordable. Okay, and not myself, and two other my friends, they are also teaching with me, so we are flexible. Okay, fine. Now, how we can make a list? Uh, I can say uh, dot means class, front, end. Okay, and another D is, say for example, backend. Let me make it ID. ID defines with hashtag backend. All right. Now let's make mm, I can write front and text are below. Okay, and I want to use ordered list here. Ordered list is OL. Okay, OL, and inside OL I can just make a list item. Li means list item, and I just can copy here. Just press Shift Alter and press down arrow, and it will be copied. Okay, it's very simple. What I did, I just go to the middle of this tag, then press Shift Alter Alt ALT, then press down arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and front-end technologies are HTML. Okay, then CSS. Okay, then JavaScript. Okay, then jQuery. jQuery also JavaScript. I can say Bootstrap. Okay, and then Git and GitHub. All right, these are front-end technologies, and I can just copy it. The second D, okay, for backend. So web developers, software developers, always they copy and they customize according to their needs and requirements. And I can now just say backend, does this save time? Okay, text are below, and they can are this front end, plus they will learn backend technology. These are, it can be any programming language, Python, it can be Java stack. Okay, just and SQL. Okay, uh, that's fine. Or they can learn Java SQL or MongoDB with JavaScript. Okay, so many options there, and I'll make it not UL. This will be UL, means unordered list. Now just we can see the difference. How does it look like? Okay, now let's go and check, reload. You see, this is ordered list 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is unordered list. Okay, unordered lists. This is not ordered, there is no numbering. Okay, now we want to keep it side by side, so what we can do, we can just copy the class and style it. How I can style it? I can come here and say lists making. Okay, and I can say class dot is class dot defines with class, and I say background is background color is red, say for example. Okay, and color is black by default, and I want width, say for example 400 pixel. Okay, and uh, height will be mm, let's say 500 pixel. Let's check. I can make it 450 maybe. Okay, and check. How does it look like? Wonderful. It's too much, I think. Okay, so I can make it width. Where is it? Width is. Let's make it 400. Okay, and for backend, what we can do, we can copy the same. Okay, we always copy 80%. We copy, then we just change, and it is not class. It's ID defines with hashtag, and I say backend. Okay, and color is not red, it will be, say for example, green. Okay, and width and height are same. Now we can check, you see, and we can now provide margin, maybe margin margin I'll keep 100 pixel. Okay, look at it, it has margin 100 pixel. I'm not providing at the same time for both, so that you can differentiate. How does it look like? You see, without margin, no margin here, and here is 100 pixel margin. Okay, now we can provide margin for this too. I can copy and paste, and I'll check, go back, it has moved to right. Here is 100, here is 100, and also 100. Okay, fine. Now we need padding. What will do the padding? Padding will make this content push to the little middle, okay, and make it more readable. more soothing, more beautiful. Okay, so I put padding like 50 pixel. Okay, and look at it, look at it. You see, beautiful. And without padding, this is with padding. Okay, now uh, now you understand with padding and without padding what happens. Okay, so I put padding. Now I want to put border. Remember the box modeling. We use box modeling everywhere. The concept is so important. You need to apply box modeling or box model in each and every element. Okay, border has three components. One is its thickness, right? 10 pixel. Then the color, I say color will be yellow. Okay, and how it will look like, solid, dashed, or dotted. Okay, now check and see the difference without border, and this is with border. You see it has border and it doesn't have border. And I want to put border, the second one also, and I'm not using solid here, I'm using dashed so that you can distinguish between dashed and solid. Okay, now what's this? Now just save it, go back and check. You see, this is tests. All right, so we already applied box modeling also, and now what we are going to do, we are going to float it. Okay, let me float it. We want to keep it side by side, so I just can say float left. Yesterday we learned it, right? And this one also float to left. All right. Now let's go back and see. It's not going. Okay, it's not going. Why? Because um, it doesn't fit. So we have to take with maybe little less, or what we can do, we can say uh, box box margin. uh, we can make it a little smaller. I don't want to make it complicated actually. 40 and 40, maybe 400. Fine. Okay. All right. Now you see it has come here, and margin is too much, but we can reduce it anytime. Now, uh, whenever we float, we have to create what? We have to create. Um, remember, we have to create false state. So class will be clear. So where is it? It is right here. We will say x. Okay, this is false state. Remember, always remember. So today we have learned how we can create ordered list and unordered list. Now we can check our lists, how beautiful they are. Okay, and this is image tag. We can also image tag. Okay, we can make it width, height. Maybe width I can put 800. Okay, and check now. It will bigger with the width. Okay, and we can also keep margin. This is image tag. Okay, I can leave a note. Image tag, and we can take directly image tag and say margin 100 pixel, and it will push right. Okay, right here, and we can also push them right. You can even say this one I can say H3. Okay, and just copy it, cut and paste. Okay, and now I can use H3 and H2. Say H2 comma H3, select a CSS selector. Okay, and can say text align center. All right. Boom. Okay, so thus we can play with and create web pages one after another, and finally we can just make a website. Okay, all right, so that's all for today. Again, if you are still not subscribed, please subscribe this YouTube channel and keep following. All right, and if you feel you need to um, take help from us, please feel free to send us email, vsocialyourbrand@gmail.com, and we can coach you one by one or in batches. Okay, and we can help you. But still, you can follow our free video tutorials to have a very solid foundation on programming or web development, whatever you want to learn. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next series. Bye. And please feel free to make comments, any suggestion, any criticism, or if you have any question, please write the question in the comment section. We will try to create another video answering your question. Thank you so much.